Mastering beginning, boost your IELTS score. The word beginning is essential in everyday communication and can significantly improve your IELTS score. Let's explore this versatile word to boost your vocabulary and exam performance. Word type. Beginning is primarily used as a noun, but it can also function as an adjective in certain contexts. Meaning, as a noun, beginning refers to the point in time or space when something starts. It's the first part or stage of something. As an adjective, it describes someone or something in the early stages of development or process. Word history. The word beginning comes from the Old English word beginnen, which means to start or commence. Understanding its origins can help you remember its meaning and usage more easily. Antonyms. Some opposites of beginning include end, conclusion, finish, and termination. Knowing these contrasting words can help you express a wider range of ideas in your IELTS speaking and writing tasks. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to beginning include start, commencement, onset, and outset. Using these synonyms can add variety to your language and impress IELTS examiners. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use beginning in different contexts. Here are 3 examples. The beginning of the movie was so exciting that I couldn't look away from the screen. As a beginning runner, she found it challenging to complete a 5-kilometer race. In the beginning, learning a new language can feel overwhelming, but it gets easier with practice. Common errors in use. Be careful not to confuse beginning with start when using it as a verb. For example, it's incorrect to say, the movie is beginning at 8 o'clock. Instead, you should say the movie is starting at 8 o'clock. Remember, beginning is primarily a noun, while start can be both a noun and a verb. To sum up, mastering the word beginning and its related vocabulary will help you express ideas about time, processes, and events more effectively in your IELTS exam. Practice using this word in your speaking and writing to become more comfortable with it. The beginning of your journey to a higher IELTS score starts with expanding your vocabulary one word at a time.